step into the 2013 Toyota Tundra. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. This vehicle's top features include heated mirrors, CD player, engine immobilizer, passenger airbag sensor, rear head airbag, passenger vanity mirror, daytime running lights, and variable speed intermittent wipers. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.